Hello YouTube. I wanted to come live with you this week and share my 5 favorite things I found on Amazon this week. So let's get started. The first thing I want to share with you is this red top. It is so soft, so nice, has these little billowy butterfly wing type sleeves that just kind of pucker here at the wrist. Absolutely love this. It comes down, let me show you. It comes down about to here, and I paired it with jeans, but because everything's casual these days, but you could totally dress this up with some black pants or a skirt and make it perfect. All right, the second thing I want to share with you is this fun water bottle. So if you follow me for a while, you know that I have struggled with water bottles. I had a huge one and I couldn't see through it. Then I got a clear one I could see through, but it was so big and so heavy. And now I have this amazing, just right size for my hand. It has all of the times on it for the day, and then you refill it for the afternoon. Absolutely love this. It has the soft straw on it and a little lanyard here. So absolutely love that. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is this cleanser. This is from CeraVe. You guys know this is my favorite brand of skincare. I used to be an esthetician and I know my stuff. This is amazing. This is this one with the salicylic acid. It's called the Renewing Cleanser, and I only use this a couple times a week. So I actually leave it in my shower and put it on right before I start my shower, and then I rinse it off at the end. So this is a great find. It's very affordable, and it takes that small layer of just dead skin cells off that we all need to have a healthy glow. Anyway, my 4th favorite find is this melatonin. So you might be like, that's not really a find. Well, if you followed me for any amount of time on any of my socials, you'll know that I struggled with COVID this year. I was in the hospital for 8 days, and coming out has just been, oh my goodness. So I've spent the last 4 months recovering. I'm still recovering, y'all. And so this melatonin helps me sleep every single night. Now, the studies aren't conclusive as to like side effects for using it for long term, but I tell you what, I've used it over the years for years at a time, and it's just been a miracle worker. So I have messed with all the different amounts, and this 5 milligrams seems to be like perfect for me. It's just enough to go to sleep within about 15 minutes and not make me groggy the next day. So it is all natural. It's an herb. I recommend it. I love it. Okay, let's get to my favorite thing. You guys, this is my craft find of the week on Amazon. So this is a little resin mold. Are you familiar with resin? Give me a comment below and let me know. This is so fun. We are going to do this as a DIY for Valentine's. We're going to pour resin into this mold, and it makes a little tea light. So, you know, it'll look like this. It won't have the line in the middle. That's just for me to untake the resin out once it hardens. But it'll be just like this, and we'll put a little tea light in it. It's going to be perfect for Valentine's. I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoy these 5 favorite things. It started with this shirt. We've got this cute shirt. It is red. It is soft. It has an amazing double layer in the front and a single layer in the back. And then we had my water bottle, my new favorite water bottle, and it tells you how much you've drank. And then we've got the salicylic acid renewal cleanser that I use twice a week. Leave it in the shower. We have the melatonin, 5 milligrams is what I recommend. And then, of course, this resin mold for your tea lights. So, hope you're having a great week. I will see you all here, same channel next week. Love you. Mwah. Bye.